Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the leadership in schools where crime and violence is rampant will be under the radar as part of efforts to ensure a safe environment. That's according to National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang, who was speaking to school officials in St. James on Friday. Shemela Pullen reports.
National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says it is imperative for school boards and principals to work together. This, he contends, is needed now more than ever, given that school violence is becoming an issue.
It makes a huge difference, of course, if you get the support, because sometimes you're in areas where you don't get the support. And that's the other side of it, and I don't know how you have to, I can't tell you who to report to, because if you have a good board chairman, it makes a huge difference to what happens in the school. You can be the principal, end up knocking your head against the wall, so to speak, theoretically, if you don't have the chairman they can work with. The combination of the principal, the chairman, and the team of social workers that identified are going to be crucial.
He adds that more engagement of children at the early childhood level is also needed.
When you give a 15-year-old the power we give them today, we don't have the social environment to manage them. A 15-year-old child who is in scamming has enormous power. They buy cars for the family, for the girlfriend, for their friends. They buy guns for the other boys around them, and they can now move with a certain level of impunity. It's hard for a principal or any social worker to control that person.
Dr. Chang says schools will have to make an effort. And although it may be difficult, he notes it must be done with some amount of help from the Ministry of Security.
You can walk to your classes, not looking over your back. And in fact, this environment where the students will feel safe sitting in class, and if they have to come out of class, they can play safely. And the entire environment contributes to that. That is the commitment of the government today. So while there's the focus on we're putting SROs, and that it's not so much putting a school resource officer in school, a policeman in school. It's just a completely supporting team.
Shemela Pullen, TVJ News.